Our search for a gutter solution started with reoccurring water in our basement. We sealed cracks in our foundation, regraded our lawn, installed an awning, rotted our drains, and replaced 4-inch gutters with 5-inch gutters that David religiously cleaned to prevent overflows. At the first sign of an overflow during a heavy rain, David would grab the ladder to clear the debris from the downspout openings. It became a weekly maintenance activity to check the gutters. David was determined to find an easier way. So, David, explain to me, what are the options?
There are typically 3 options you can do. Option 1, perform regular cleaning that include using a leaf blower to blow out the leaves, scooping out leaves and other debris, and then use a garden hose to flush the gutters and downspouts. Make sure that the downspouts are not clogged. Option 2, to prevent leaves and large pieces of debris from clogging your downspout, install a gutter strainer, cost about $3 a piece, at each downspout, and perform a regular maintenance by cleaning the gutters and removing each strainer to clean it. Then insert the strainer back inside the downspout outlet. In option 3, install gutter guard. Costs depend on the type of guard and whether you install it yourself, and perform regular cleaning by removing debris that accumulate on the surface of the guard. You may remove the guard that lies over the downspout to clear away fine debris that pass through the guard. An alternative option that is much cheaper and required only regular maintenance is using a mesh cover over the downspout outlet. Here I bought a metal mesh gutter guard, 3 foot long, from Home Depot for about $4 a piece. I prepare a paper template 3.5 by 8.5 inch to cover the 3 by 4 inch downspout outlet. Then I use a steel cutter to cut a piece from the gutter guard according to my template. And this is a mesh cover that I'm going to place over my downspout outlet. After you cut it, right?
After you cut this, you take the piece and place it over the opening to your drain spout. And David, how do you attach it?
Okay, normally you may have screws sticking out. If not, you can make your own screw downward. It's connected. See, this on the side connected to the downspout. You can put this over, and you have screws that's sticking out. If you don't have the screw, you most likely have
a
screw
outlet for the
right for the gutter for the
drain
spout. And if it's not, you may screw them from above with a screw. Either way, and then or you just push it in.
You just use a gutter screw, one of those
Or you just, if that you don't need to, you can just, because if you cut these two sides the same, slightly over the sides of the gutter,
it's not going to go anywhere, right?
No, right, you squeeze in like here, and you squeeze this inside equally from both sides, and it's all done.
Excellent.
And you can show here.
So here, this is one that was installed. When was it installed, David? Like a year ago, or the beginning of this spring?
In summary, there is no maintenance-free solution. With any option you choose, you'll still need to clean your gutters routinely. Okay?